Hi guys, today I came to Permai Rainforest Resort. It's in Borneo in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. You can see the area. It's looking really good. This is the car park and I'll be going down. Let's go. For entrance, you can see the notice. No pets allowed, no cutting of plants and trees, no motorcycles, no littering allowed, no nudity and uneven surface. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's go. It's really fantastic. You can see the flora and fauna of Borneo. It's looking like a jungle. This is the wooden trail. You need to buy ticket before going. It's for international ringgit 10 per person. And here's the place where you need to buy the ticket. Let's get the ticket. I want 2 tickets. 20 ringgit, right? Okay, thank you. You can see I got my ticket and now let's go. This area is so natural. It looks really beautiful. Let me show it to you. You can see this wooden trail. It's looking fantastic. It's really amazing. Let's walk until to the beach. Until we reach the beach, we'll be walking. You have to walk in the middle of the jungle in this wooden trail, and you'll hear the sounds of the insects. It looks like somehow the mangrove forest. So peaceful and calm, this area. It's in Permai Rainforest Resort, which is near the Damai Central in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia, in the East Malaysia in Borneo. There are different activities you can do in this resort. You can see some boats. Here comes the beach. Wow, it's looking fabulous, magnificent. And this is the golden hour as the sun is going to set in an hour. You can surf here. They also have rainforest cafe, boat house, beach. People came with their family members. I can hear a child crying. And this is the place where you can get the surfing gears. Just look at the beach. It's looking splendid. Wow, just so amazing, mashallah. This is a small little clean water stream. The white sand sea beach, and near the beach you can see beautiful mountains of Borneo. People are enjoying swimming in the beach. So when you visit Sarawak, you can come to this beach and enjoy and have some good moment. This is how beautiful the beach is. The ambience of this area is just amazing. It's fantastic. It's fabulous. It's just so cool to be here in this part of Borneo, and you can enjoy your time swimming in the beach or surfing in the beach or just taking a sunbath in this beautiful Permai Resort beach. Just look at these beautiful stones in the beach. It's looking so amazing. Just the green trees, the leaves, and then the mountain, and then the beach, the sand, the stones. It's like so superb. Let me go to the swimming pool of this resort. And to come here to this Permai resort, you need to drive for around 50 minutes to 1 hour from Kuching city in Sarawak, in East Malaysia basically. And after driving here, you can come and enjoy the whole day just by getting a 10 ringgit ticket. And if you want to stay overnight, they have resorts of different prices. You can come and book one and stay here. This is their sea view restaurant of Permai resort. You can see the area is really aesthetic. And from here you can have the sea view. It's just too good. These are the rooms and the cabins. It will go all the way inside the forest. These are the tree houses or the chalets, you can see. It's like very cool. You can see how beautiful these chalets are. It's like you can read this in storybooks, and you can come here and have an experience of staying in this type of tree houses. They have the jungle pool and second beach. They have a lot of treetop chalets, and they are really fantastic. You'll have both the jungle view and the beach view. Here's the swimming pool of the resort. The water is fully natural. It comes from the mountain and also the rainwater. They catch the water here and they made a pool out of it. And even from here you can have a beautiful view of the beach. Basically no lifeguard provided. Swim at your own risk. Overall, it's a nice beach and it's a nice environment here. A beautiful resort where you can come and have a good time. If you are lucky enough, you can see monkeys playing around in this forest and mountains. This is some sort of proboscis monkey, I can see, enjoying its time on the tree.